of Adi Shankaracharya in praise of Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati. He says, as Durga, you protect the good, destroy evil, wielding weapons of destruction on your 8 arms. As Lakshmi, residing in the heart of Vishnu, you bless your devotees who wait like chakora birds open mouth, awaiting drops of rain. Remove forever the heat of bad deeds and bestow auspiciousness through your gracious glance. As Saraswati, you ride the deer, horse, lion, swan, elephant and the bull during the Navaratri. To you, Mother Sharada, I offer my salutations. Bless me with knowledge and wisdom. Adi Shankaracharya concludes by saying, wherever my mind goes, let there be thy form. Wherever my head bows, let those be thy feet.
द्रुहिण ग्रहिणी आगम विदा हरे पत्नी पद्मा हर सहचरे